Okay, some basic tips on Google Classroom that will make your experience better. First, once you have your classrooms established, come up to the menu bar here on the top left and go all the way down to Settings. Here is where the notifications are for emails. I turn them off because otherwise every single time a student submits an assignment, you will get an email, and I find that my email is just too clogged. So I turn off email notifications altogether. However, you can see there are plenty of different options here for you that you can either turn on or turn off, or you can just turn them off altogether, and that's what I do. Another thing that I want to show you in the classroom, let's go back to my 7th hour. If you want to add a announcement, you're going to go here. If you want to reuse an announcement, you want to go to the new class and say, okay, I want what I used from last year, 17-18. This is why I say to be sure you put the years on it, that I did in my 5th hour. And here are all of my assignments. And I want to start off today with talking about blogging. So I could click that and I could say I want to reuse it. And it will copy and paste that assignment into the new class for you to use if it's an announcement, or you can do the same thing in your classroom. Okay, I did do a slight pause here because this classroom tab, although I knew it was coming in Google Classroom, is brand new. You used to only have Stream, Students, and About, and so I needed to play with it for just a minute. If you want to reuse an assignment, you do that here in Classroom. And you can reuse from the previous class. Otherwise, if you just want to create, I'm just going to give you an example. Create an assignment here. Here you have the choice. You can say which classes you want it. I have 4 freshman classes, so maybe I want to have all my freshman classes use the assignment, and maybe I'm going to call this a welcome assignment, and perhaps I have a document from Google that I want to add, and I could come here and I could type up what I want. I'm searching for 3 truths and a lie. There we go. And let's say I want to use this, so I'm going to add it. And I don't typically use the points because I don't feel that I need to have grade book kept in 2 different places, but that's up to you. You can give it a due date, which is also very wise. It pops up on your calendar when it's due. And then also topic. Here is something that's really important. Let's say you have topics you're going to create. If there's a topic that you're going to use all year long, like maybe you have vocabulary, or maybe you have, I don't know, some sort of theme that you want to do. And then every time you create an assignment that has to do with that topic, the students can then search assignments by that topic, and it helps to keep it organized. Of course, now I'm going to have to delete all of this, but that's okay. Just want you to be able to see how it looks. Looks like it's still assigning. Okay, so here in the stream, it has appeared and it's letting the students know that this is an assignment.